At this juncture, we shall proceed with the bill on the Sinait District Hospital. Witnessing are the Speaker of the House, the Executive Secretary, the Secretary of Health, Senator Bongo, sponsor, Senator Marcos, author, House Majority Leader Romualdez, Representative Tan, sponsor, Representative Yap, sponsor, Representative Geogracias Victor Savellano, author. Upon the President's signatures, House Bill number 6727, in consideration of Senate Bill number 1383, shall now become known as Republic Act number 11560, entitled An Act Increasing the Bed Capacity of the Sinait District Hospital in Sinait, Ilocos Sur from 25 beds to 100 beds and appropriating funds thereof. Please face the cameras for a quick photo opportunity. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, distinguished guests.